You log into your bank over public Wi-Fi, and your password travels across dozens of machines you don't control. HTTPS is the reason none of them can read it. Let me show you how that actually works. With plain HTTP, your data goes out as clear text, so any router or Wi-Fi snooper on the path reads it word for word. Here's the trick. HTTPS wraps that same connection in a locked tunnel called TLS. Everything from here on is about building that tunnel. First, the server hands your browser a certificate, basically an ID card containing its public key. The public key can lock a message that only the server's private key can unlock. But an ID card is worthless if anyone can forge it, so we need someone to vouch for it. A certificate authority, like Let's Encrypt or DG-Cert, signs that certificate with its own key. Your browser ships with a built-in list of about 150 CAs it trusts, so it checks the signature against that list. If the signature is valid, the ID is genuine. Now the two sides run a handshake. Modern TLS uses a Diffie-Hellman exchange, where they mix public values to arrive at the same secret key without ever sending that key across the wire. An eavesdropper sees the public parts but can't reconstruct the secret. Honestly, this is the clever bit that makes the whole thing work. From here, both sides use that shared key with fast symmetric encryption like AES to scramble every request and response. It's much quicker than the public key math, which is why we only use that to agree on the key. The eavesdropper now sees nothing but noise. Encryption hides the data, but TLS also attaches an authentication tag to every message, so the receiver can tell if a single bit was changed in flight. I once spent an afternoon chasing a corrupted upload that was really a proxy mangling bytes. The tag caught it, I just didn't read the error. Change anything and the whole message is thrown out. So it all stacks up. A CA-signed certificate proves who the server is. The handshake secretly agrees on a shared key. S encrypts the traffic, and auth tags stop tampering. That's the whole locked tunnel. Every HTTPS in your address bar is doing exactly this in under a second. Keep shipping. See you tomorrow.